I have a 2012 Grand Cherokee SRT with cylinder 6 misfire. So we did swap the coils, plugs, and check the injectors, and it all passed. Did a compression check and leak down test and passed. So when we took out the heads and look at the cam, actually the lifter first, and the lifter looks like this. The MDS side, cylinder 6, you can see this roller right here. See how bad that is. I mean, it's a lot smaller compared to the one that's not damaged. So what happened is it's also ruined the camshaft, which made it flat. If I can get the camera. There's the cam, the flat cam. See how bad that is? So that's what made a misfire, cylinder 6. So I've already replaced the camshaft. I've already put everything back in. Not everything, but I'm about to install everything back together. And this customer should be running smooth after maybe 3 hours from now, maybe 2. So yeah, cylinder 6 P0306 misfire. This one only on idle, misfire on idle. So I also checked the MDS solenoid operation and they're working fine. That's it.